Hello friends, today we will discuss nature of education. Education is a lifelong process. It is a process of facilitating learning, acquiring knowledge, skills, values, beliefs and forming habits. It is not limited to formal settings like schools and colleges and universities. It is informal also. It occurs in a variety of forms and environments. Education is holistic, aiming for the intellectual, emotional, social, and moral development of individuals. It is a dynamic nature of process. It is continuous and it adapts changing times and needs when required. A child learns economics in school, which represents formal education. However, child also learn cooperation and sharing while playing with friends, which is informal education. Both forms contribute to their overall growth. So, nature of education is inclusive of formal and informal education both.